na, ano ba po kabalin? Welcome to Pampanga for today's vlog. Wala po tayo sa Pampanga dahil naimbitahan po tayo dito sa may Quezon City and we were invited by Japayu-K. So actually, ang Japanese-Korean barbecue restaurant na yan ay located dun sa second floor ng Enroad. So papanig tayo doon. Guys, samahan niyo po ako. I wanna show you this place. Let's go! Guys, again, welcome ulit sa Japayu-K. And actually, first time natin makapag-vlog dito sa may Quezon City. And thanks so much for inviting us, Japayu-K. Such a generous table. Actually, let's talk about the set na talagang mapapawaw po kayo. So, yung basic set nila actually is just 649 pesos. However, if you add 99 pesos, yung basic set na yon will become Japayu King. Alright, Japayu King. So, what do you have? What do you have, guys? So, let me just read yung kanilang basic set and then yung Japayu King set natin. Okay, so for the meat, meron tayong plain kaburi beef, meron din beef yakiniku, beef galbi, meron din tayong plain pork, thick cut, which is, ayun, thick cut. Meron din tayong plain pork, which is thin cut. Of course, depende sa preference nyo, guys. Meron thin, meron thick. Available po sila dito. We also have spicy pork in thick cut. There, meron din tayo dito. Now, for mga tempura, yan. Meron tayong tempura rolls. We also have California maki, spicy beef roll. Yun. So, unlimited lahat to, guys, ha. As long as you can, pwede po sila dito. And then, of course, for the chicken, meron tayong karage and baked mushroom. Now, again, sabi ko nga sa inyo, add ka lang ng 99 pesos, you will become a Japayu King. What do you have? Meron tayong rib eye for the meat. Meron din tayong rib eye yakiniku. Of course, meron din tayong seafood, which is the shrimp. You also get a tuna. Ayun, no? Sarap mga, sarap ng look ng tuna natin. We also have tempura. There's the tempura. We also have baked salmon and scallops. I think, for me, I would go for yung mga seafood. Although, lahat naman ng mga meat nila dito looks really premium, okay? And then, complimentary side dishes. These are the side dishes. Again, if you are, you want to dig deep, dig in more, unlimited din po ito. Now, also generous, guys. We also have this unlimited hotpot now for only 299 pesos per table. You get to have unlimited hotpot. Now, what do you get? Thinly sliced beef. Meron din tayong pork. We have mixed mushrooms, Taiwan pechay, which is bok choy. Meron tayong special hot pot sauce. There's the sauce. Wow, excited ako, guys. Tikman natin yung later on. And then the Taiwan pechay, carrots, corn, which are the mixed vegetables. I also got excited for our cocktails. So for our cocktails, these are the available Melona Bomb, Saranghe, Moshi Moshi, Harajuku Highball, Smooth Operator, at saka Soulmate. Now, on our table, what we have is the Saranghe at saka yung Smooth Operator, which is yun yung suggest ng bartender natin. We also have a peach iced tea for non-alcoholic drink. Now, taste muna natin to, guys. Inom muna tayo bago tayo mag-start magluto. Oh, wow. Again, thank you, Japayu-K. Such an honor to be here. Although it's a long drive, no? If you happen to be in Quezon City, so ang exact location natin is at Scout Delgado, corner Tomas Morato. Bam! And you're gonna arrive here. Available po sila sa Google Map and Waze. So, hindi po kayo maliligaw kung pupunta po kayo dito. Anyway, so let's try it. Let's start. So, I wanna add din yung spicy pork natin. Woo. Yun. Start tayo guys dun sa kanilang hotpot. Look at that. Diba? Ito yun guys, this is the hotpot. Grabe, this is 299 pesos per table. Alright, so trying this hotpot for the first time. Ooh, I'm really happy, no? Nakakain tayo ng really hot dishes dito po sa Japayu-K. Ooh, okay. So actually, it is super perfect if you are going to add or include yung kanilang special sauce, which is this one, no, sir? Ito yun, no? Yan. Pakita natin. Gusto siyang pakita. Ito naman yung isa, sir. Parang mas bongga to, sir. Ayun, no? Mushrooms. Tsaka the mushrooms. Sir, pagluto na, di na. Ang sarap. Parang base niya, sir, is peanut. Tama? And then, look at this. Wow, sarap. Ang sarap. And again, guys, meat is actually super premium. Alam mo naman kasi siya pag kinain, no? Walang sapal, ganyan. And then, sobrang tender, sobrang lambot. Kahit medyo overcook, hindi pa rin siya, it's still tender. Sarap. Alright, so quick mention lang dun sa kanilang mga KTV rooms. They actually have 3 KTV rooms, no? So they have 3 rooms. The other room, the last room is actually for smokers. So kung meron po kayong kasamang nag-smoke or vape, you actually have a section here. So you're not excluded. Kasama ka pa rin dito. Ayan. So yun, as I was mentioning earlier, si Japayu-K is a Japanese and Korean restaurant. Ayan. So papansin nyo guys, yung mga dishes natin dito is a mix of those countries. So actually guys, excited ako doon sa kanilang tuna at saka sa scallops. I wanna show it to you guys. Ito yun. Ito yun guys. Sarap. Sir, sa Kapampangan, sinasabi namin, ang sinasabi namin, nyama na. Okay, next na ako dito, sir. Okay lang? Ayun, no, guys, pakita ko ulit sa inyo. Ito siya. Okay. Sarap, grabe. Imagine, so unlimited tuna, unlimited ano kasing tawag natin dito, sir? Unlimited rib eye steak. Thinly sliced. Perfect lang siya sa mabilisang nguya, no, sir? Okay, tingnan natin to. Ayan, no? Imagine, yung mga scallops natin to, unlimited. Wow. Japanese hack. So ito yung sauce natin for the scallops. This is really, really tasty. And ayoko siyang masayang, kaya lalagay natin siya sa rice. Like this. Oh, good luck! Say dito is, again, meat is all premium. You get what you pay for. Although it's 600, 649. Although the price is at 649, if you are into this kind of food, premium quality meat, talaga mag-enjoy kayo. You're gonna get what you paid for. nga guys, where in Pampanga goes out of town at isa na namang food spot ang kailangan yung bisitahin dito po sa Quezon City. And this is Japayu-K, Japanese and Korean restaurant. So guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Thanks so much, Japayu-K. Peace out.